Hi, my name is Kristen Kalmus, and I'm a first grade teacher at Robert Moten Elementary School. Today I'm going to be modeling for you how to compare two two-digit numbers. And this standard is from our Numbers in Base 10 unit, which really gives our young children a solid foundation in place value understanding and number sense. So we will be comparing two two-digit numbers based on the meanings of tens and ones digits, recording the results of comparisons with the symbols greater than, equal to, and less than. Let's take a look at our problem. Susan showed 5 tens and 13 ones on her work mat. Austin showed 3 ones and 6 tens on his work mat. Record and compare their numbers using the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. In first grade math, it's really important to go back and reread the problem several times. So I always teach my students just start at the first sentence and just continue reading. So we're going to start with Susan, and today I'm going to be drawing a line for a group of 10 and a circle for a 1. So Susan has 5 tens, so I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 5 tens and 13 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now some kids might already be saying, wow, I know that might make a new group of 10. And some kids still need to be reminded, do you think that you could make a group of 10? So I see that I can make a new group of 10, so I can count more efficiently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle 10 ones. And I'm going to bring those 10 ones over, and I'm going to use a different color. I'm going to use brown. And I'm going to trade it in for a stick of 10. So now, instead of having those 10 ones, I have a group of 10. Now I need to be sure to cross those 10 out so I don't recount them and get an inaccurate number. So now I'm going to count Susan's tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. Notice that I did not change Susan's number. I simply rearranged the groupings so that I could count more efficiently. And I'm going to label this with an S. So Susan has 6 tens and 3 ones. Let's go back to our problem. Austin showed 3 ones and 6 tens on his work mat. Now, you'll notice that I have listed the ones first. Many children will think that Austin's number is 36 because they will just assume that the 3 is talking about the tens. But I purposely put the ones first so students can really focus on close reading. So, since tens are larger, I always tell my students to start with the tens, even though the ones come first. So Austin has 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to label that with an A so I don't get confused. And now I'm going to go back and count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So I can see that Austin has 63. Now I have 2 two-digit numbers. I'm going to start by looking in the tens place. Both of the numbers in the tens place are the same. So children are taught to go to the next place value to compare those numbers. So when I look at a digit in the ones place, I can see that they are both 3s. Austin and Susan have exactly the same amount, and that is why I put the symbol equal to. Equal to means is the same as. So 63 is the same as 63. They both now have 6 tens and 3 ones. And that is how we compare two-digit numbers in first grade.